welcome back. So this is the next question we need to solve. So to solve such patterns, we need to know the rule of operation, that is BODMAS rule. So parenthesis comes first, then exponential, exponents, then comes division and multiplication. Division and multiplication have same order. Then at last addition and subtraction, they also have same order. Okay, so addition and subtraction. So first we have two parentheses here, right? This one, this one. So we will solve them individually. So 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 into. So the next parenthesis is this one, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 square, 4, 12 into 4 minus 9. Okay. So the next order of operation is exponents we have completed. Then the next is division. We don't have any division. Then we have multiplication. Yes, we have one multiplication. 12 into 4, 36. And finally we have a 12 into 4, sorry, 48. 12 into 4, 48. And finally we have a subtraction. That is 48 minus 9. Right? So the final answer is 39. So in this way we solve such questions using the BODMAS rule. So if you like the content, please like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to our channel. If possible, contribute through the UPI link given in description. And I will come up with another interesting pattern in next video. That's all. Thank you.